Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Make sure you head over to TipRanks TV to watch some great exclusive series, and don't forget to check out the Ultimate and Premium TipRanks plans too to unlock some fantastic research tools. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are currently in the red. Dow futures are down 1.16%, S&P 500 futures down 1.19%, and NASDAQ futures down 1.28%. Boeing has received an order for 50 of their 737 MAX jets, plus the option to purchase an additional 100 from the International Consolidated Airlines Group. IAG ordered 25 of the 737-8200s and 25 of the 737 MAX 10 jets. They'll be delivered between 2023 and 2027 and can be used by any airline within their group. The order includes options for another 100 planes to be available between 2025 and 2028. They say that they negotiated a substantial discount from the jet's list price. The Boeing stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of 76%. Tesla bull Cathie has responded to Tesla being excluded from the S&P 500 ESG index. That index tracks eco and socially friendly companies, and they've kicked Tesla out. Cathie Wood's response was ridiculous, not worthy of any other response. The head of ESG indices at S&P Dow Jones Indices stated in a blog post that while Tesla may be playing its part in taking fuel-powered cars off the road, it has fallen behind its peers when examined through a wider ESG lens. The Tesla stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 36%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we'll be hearing from Canada Goose Holdings and Lightspeed Commerce, while the after hours will include Applied Materials, Palo Alto, and Ross Stores. Already in the pre-market this morning, we heard from Kohls. They widely missed on earnings and cut their future guidance. They reported earnings per share of 11 cents, a big miss from the estimated 75 cents per share expected. This was on revenue of $3.7 billion, which was in line with expectations. Cutting their guidance for the fiscal year, they're now expecting adjusted earnings of $6.45 to $6.85, down from their previous estimates of $7 to $7.50 per share. The Kohls stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 40%. Coming in ahead of analyst expectations for earnings this morning was BJ's Wholesale Club. They reported earnings of 87 cents per share. Analysts were expecting 73 cents. That was on revenue of $4.5 billion, which was shy of analyst expectations of $4.2 billion. Their revenue grew 16.2% on a year-over-year basis. Analysts rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 27%. And last night we heard from Cisco. Their stock is down after they fell short of expectations on future guidance. Earnings per share came in at 87 cents, which was 1 penny ahead of the forecast. Revenue was $12.8 billion, which was short of the forecast of $13.4 billion. Looking ahead to the next quarter, their expectations fell very short as they see revenue declining 1 to 5.5%. Wall Street had been projecting an increase of nearly 6%. The stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 15%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Canada Goose Holdings, who just released their earnings report. Under the ticker GOOS, the stock is up over 12.6%. They're followed by Nomura Holdings under NMR, they're up 9.8%, and Compania Energetica under CIG up 9.6%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Cisco Systems following their earnings last night. Under the ticker CSCO, their stock is down 11.4%. They're followed by VIP Shop under VIPS, down about 8%, and Nomad Foods under the ticker NOMD, down 7.17%. So that is going to be everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.